Number 60 on page 251. So I'm going to read the problem. In a ballistics test at a police department, Officer Rios fires a 6-gram bullet at 350 meters per second into a container that stops it in 1.8 microseconds. What is the average force that stops the bullet? So before I go any further, I know that I need seconds and I need kilograms. So I need to do conversion. And I'm going to use factor label method. Since this is all metric, we know that we can move the decimals and all that stuff. But I'm just going to use factor label method. So 6.0 grams. And I'm trying to convert this to kilograms. So grams go on bottom, kilograms go on top. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So then we do 6 divided by 1,000. And I get 6.0 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3. And what's the unit? Kilograms. Okay? Now I need to do time. So we have 1.8 microseconds. So I need microseconds here and seconds up here. How many microseconds are in 1 second? Well, we need to go to page 6 and look up micro. And we see that micro is 10 to the negative 6.
Are you going to give us the
Right.
problem like the sum of tests
Yes.
that we have to convert?
No.
Okay. What number? 60?
So there's 1 times 10 to the 6 microseconds in 1 second. And so then this is
How many recordings can you get?
we can do quite a bit. This is, I believe I have a 30 gigabyte flash drive, and these are about 100 megabytes for about 3 or 4 minutes.
How many megabytes are in a gigabyte?
So how are you just going to delete them and use to the...
Yeah, I'll upload them and then, or get a new flash drive or something, or compress them, back them up.
You can go like half these that are like really good, like they're like half videos.
You do what?
You got those like half videos that like it stops recording.
Yeah, I can filter out a lot.
Roughly 300.
300 videos? Yeah. So that's quite a bit on 1 flash drive. And then I'll just get another flash drive after.
Are you recording?
I'm recording right now, this whole conversation.
Show it to the next class.
Okay. All right, so here we go. This is our conversions. Now we can solve the problem, Mackenzie.
Trent, Paul.
Queen Latifah.
That's my mom.
Can I
Okay.
transfer classes?
What is the average force that stops the bullet? So I'm looking for force. So this is going to be F delta T equals delta P. Sean, why did I use this equation?
Because you have the momentum in time.
Yeah, well, what are they asking to find? Average force. So I'm looking for F. So I need an equation that has F in it. And we're talking about momentums and stuff. This is the only one that has F in it. It has time and momentum.
Yeah, this one was hard.
Number 60. So I'm looking for F. So I solve for F.
Oh my gosh, my leg. And then
But what is delta P?
delta P is momentum, change in momentum.
Right, which is M delta V.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And the mass is this. And change in velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity. What's my final velocity? 350. What's my initial velocity? 0. The bullet's in the chamber, right? It's not moving. Mm-hmm. And then we just do the math here. So 6 times 3.5 divided by 1.8 gives me 11.67 times 10 to the, so negative 3 plus 2 gives me negative 1. Negative 1 minus minus 6 is the same as negative 1 plus 6, which will be 5. And this is newtons. Okay, and I'm gonna stop the recording.